हेलो बच्चों, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. टुडे टॉपिक nomenclature of alkene, or we can say also IUPAC naming of alkene. Alkene is also hydrocarbons, so we need to naming. So IUPAC naming perfect naming system which are the universal means which are acceptable in all over the world. So that is called a nomenclature of alkene. Yeah, we can say also IUPAC naming of alkene. The general formula for the alkene CnH2n. In previous video I have already discussed about the formula. How can we put the value of the carbon number in that formula? So, and suffix will be there in. Suffix will be in. It means suppose suppose eth is here. Suppose eth is here, and we need to IUPAC naming. Suppose eth is here. Eth is here. Eth, it means 2 carbon atom. So then suffix will be in. So their naming will be the ethene, like that. Propene and butene, heptene, and pentene, hexene, like that, right? And yeah, suffix is the in. And ethene is the first carbon product of the first alkene group product of the alkene hydrocarbons, right? Because that made by the two double bond in between carbon. So one carbon atom have not possible. So first carbon product of alkene group is the ethylene, right? Now here some examples of the IUPAC naming, because IUPAC naming nomenclature of alkene some of hydrocarbons we have discussed only in previous video, right? And in previous chapter. Then now first example here, CH3 CH double bond CH2. First we will have to need to there select the large number of the carbon atom chain, right? Then give preference to the double bond. It means priority will be a double bond, where is either in the left side, right side, any side chain, right? So preference will be for double bond, right? And then we need to count from carbon atom count from the right side, because right side from that double bond in first carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3, right? It means 3 means prop, right? Alkene group is here, so propene, that name is propene. Yeah, we can say also prop 1 in, right? Second example is here, CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2, right? So also there are 4 carbon atom, that is the 4 carbon atom hydrocarbons, and first carbon having double bond. So we'll count from right side 1, 2, 3, 4. So their IUPAC name will be the but 1 in, right? Here also example number third, CH3 CH2 CH3 CH and CH3 and CH2. Okay, there is one side chain, but we need to count from the where is lowest number of the carbon in double bond. So we'll count that in from the left side. So 1, 2, second number have a double bond, and 2, 3, 4 carbon have a one alkyl group. So their IUPAC name will be the 4 methyl pent, because there are the 5 carbon pent 2 in, right? Now here fourth example, they have a more complex, with two side have a side chain. So CH2 double bond CH and CH2 CH3. Now here also one alkyl group and a methyl group and CH3. So we will have to select first the large, it means what is the largest carbon chain, and then prefer to the first prefer to the double bond, and then select the largest parental carbon chain, right? So because here is the double bond, so we will have to count from the left to right, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 3, 4, 5. So that will be the parental chain, because here are large number carbon atom. So 6 carbon are here, and Third number have a 1, 2, 3 alkyl group. It means 1, 2, 3 means propyl. And fifth number have also one alkyl group, one single carbon, it is methyl. So their IPC name will be the 5-methyl, 3-propyl, that is the propyl, right? Has 6 carbon atom, 1 in. First number have a alkene group, right? Now next example is here also, that is different than to the other because they have a 2 alkene group, CH2, CH and one CH2 and CH2 and then CH2, right? But here condition is here, first number have a alkene group and here also side chain have a alkene group. So and there are the more large number than to the alkene group. So we will have to here preference to the alkene group. So their parental chain will be the CH2, CH and CH2 and double bond CH2, right? So there and CH2, CH3, that will be the alkyl group, yeah, side chain, right? And first number alkene group and fourth number will have a alkene group. So their IPC name will be 3-propyl. Third number have, that is the propyl group, 3-propyl pent, because there are the 5 carbon, 1,4 di in, right? So that will be their IPC name. Now next topic is here, isomerizing alkene. Iso means that is the, it means general formula same but structure formula are different, right? So isomerism are different types. First one is the structural isomerism. Isomerism means on the basis of structure are different, on the basis structure are different of for same general formula. So that will be the structural isomerism. Isomerism also two types, chain isomerism and position isomerism. Chain isomerism means only it is changing on due to the changing their chain form, like here CH3, CH2, CH and CH2 and it means that is the simple but one in, but here that is side chain CH3, CH3 and CH3 double bond CH2. Carbon atom they have also same but their structure formula are different, chain is different. So their IPC will be 2-methyl top in, right? 2-methyl top in, it means 2-methyl top 1 in, right? Now next is here position isomerism. Position isomerism means due to the position of the changing of position of the alkene group, right? So then they will form their IPC name will be different, like here CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2 and their isomer will be there CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. So their IPC name will be but 2 in. So here was a first number alkene group and there is two second number alkene group, right? Now next is here geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is different than to the structural isomerism, right? Geometrical isomerism means the compounds which have the same structure formula, like over here structure formula, but differ in the special arrangement of atoms, yeah, groups of atoms, group of atoms, like atoms, and that is the group of atoms, right? Atoms about the double bond means alkene group, double bond are called a geometric isomers, and that process, yeah, that phenomena is called a geometric isomerism, right? So that is the definition of the geometrical isomer. And geometrical isomers also two types. One is the cis isomers. Cis isomers means like here, it means they are that is the one side is the same atom, yeah, group of atom, and other side is the same group, like that, right? And cis trans isomer like here, one side there is the CH3, there is the CH, but that side, upper side is the H and lower side is the CH3. So that is the that called, if when both upper side is the same functional group and lower side is the same, then different. So that is called a cis. And if both upper side is the different, then to the it means lower side, yeah, we can say also in cross have a same atom, yeah, group of atom, and that is called a trans isomers, right? Like here CH3 here and CH3 here and H here, like that is called a cis, right? And trans isomers if CH3 here and that in crossing, that is the CH3, and H is here and there H is here, right? Like that cross form, so that is called a trans isomer, right? So student, we have studied about the in this video nomenclature of alkanes and isomerism in alkenes, right? I hope you have understand about the nomenclature of alkenes and isomerism in alkenes. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and also share, subscribe, comments and like also. Thank you.